Bold statement. Matte black finish adds a touch of sophistication to any room. Flexible placement. Coordinating finishes makes this perfect for use in the bath and kitchen. Peace of mind. Designed for hassle-free installation. Coordinating collection. Coordinates with other faucets and accessories in the Align collection. The Ambition medium-duty 4 single-handle center set lavatory features a 3-inch lever handle. 1.5 GPM vandal-resistant aerator. Adjustable brass temperature limit stop. 1/2 IPS connections. Top reviews from the United States. Best double robe hook, towel hook chrome on Amazon. Those who don't have towel bars will appreciate the low profile, simplistic lines, and non-weird looking features of the Moen Align double robe hook. I have purchased about 15 of the top chrome double robe hooks on Amazon, including the ghetto ones from non-mainstream manufacturers, phallic triple robe hook I am looking at you, and returned them all, then bought 3 of these Moen YB04020CH double robe hooks. Unlike the Kohler or Hansgrohe, towels won't slip off. Many robe hooks are engineered to only hold a strap. These Moens will actually hold a full-size bath towel. 2 of them at that. We have one for my side, wife's side, and kids' towels near the bathtub. It goes with just about everything, and for sure matches Hansgrohe. We have Hansgrohe Metris S, Metris C throughout, and we're desperate to find a low-profile double robe hook which can hang a towel. This is the perfect answer. This will match any tubular, cylindrical modern low-profile chrome scheme with circular mount. Kohler, Grohe, Hansgrohe, Moen will all have lines that work with these. Mine arrived at the end of the shipping day, so if you're expecting to have them in time for your contractors at a certain time, you'll want to order early.